Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A man was shot multiple times by gunmen while making his way home in Borkfield, Old Harbour Bay, St. Catherine, Monday night. The injured man remains in hospital. His attackers are being sought by the police. The police report that about 11:40 p.m., the man was riding his bicycle along a dirt track on his way home in Borkfield when he was pounced upon by 3 gunmen who opened fire. He was hit several times, included in the abdomen. My viewers and subscribers, when I hear what go on, when I hear what good on in a Old Harbour, hey, I really a go on, man. You see, Andrew Holness, him just come out and talk about peace, peace, peace. You see, and I say, go, you can't just come out and say peace and think everybody are going to listen to you. Especially when corruption starts from within your party. So you can, hey, and as a peace go Andrew Holness. You have to start the peace from your cabinet first before you bring it out the road. And that's why I got my viewers and subscribers. And you know what? All this killing, it just need to stop. May I beg you, my brothers and sisters, we have to unite and come together as one. What really are going? You understand? In a right man, anything happen, you don't have to go kill somebody for proving a point. You don't just build, man. You understand? We don't want that, man. We are black people, man. We have to come together as one. You understand? We can't just kill off on one another, so. That's not right. Try to find some other way and means for sort out things. Not killing each other. It not look good, man. Remember saying, we can't give life, You understand? We cannot give life. So we know if we take life, because we can't give it. You get me? You know what? All we have to do is just pray and ask the God Almighty to intervene in this. Because all Mr. Andrew Holness crime plan is come out and just a call for peace. That's all. You just come out and a call for peace. The people them where you betray, you ask for peace. You come and betray the whole Jamaica and then you come and ask for peace. And I say, go brother. And I remember say you say one say you can turn it up and turn it down, You understand me? So if you are the Prime Minister and you talk like that, what you expect them a locally are going to do? Them all want to turn it up and turn it down to anyhow they feel like. But my viewers and subscribers, don't tell me one thing here, man, because Jaja, I don't like the killing one go on, man. It's too much. Even though you hear Andrew Holness and Anthony Anderson come out and them say, yes, Jamaica safe no, and them the rubbish and foolishness. Yeah? Jamaica not safe. It's not safe at all. You understand? And we have to accept that, say not safe. Because we the people have to unite, and come together as one, and try to fix. But still, everything starts from the top because it is alleged that the MP them give the youth them gun. You understand? And that's how it start from. You get me? And if they not stop, do them kind of foolishness there, when will crime stop? Crime will never stop. You understand? It is alleged, and me say so. And them say so. But me believe. You understand? Me believe say happen. You get me? All of them is weird and then they say they come out and talk about, when they catch a man with gun, them all give them 15 years and 20 years and this and that. But it is alleged that the MP are UNO start the whole of this. I give the man them, the youth them gun. I UNO start it. You get me? So when I see Andrew Holness come out and talk about peace, nobody not gonna listen to you and a sight go. You can't just come out. I look up me go an example. A baby cannot give trouble and you just talk and I say peace. You have to come up with a strategy. You have to come up with a plan. You understand? And that is what Andrew Holness don't have. According to Peter Bunting, he's a very slow learner when it comes to crime. And it is true. You understand me? Me want to say much as learn about, you know, for them thing that, for them way of living that and so, they want to make them money. Yeah, you get me? You know, so me have to read, me have to, you know, me have to talk between the lines and, you know, read between the lines and them things there. I don't know how it go already over here, so. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so tell me what you think and how you feel about this. Alright? Put an honest opinion in the comment section for me. Anyway, hear this. There are more Jamaicans earning income now than ever before in the country's history, according to Prime Minister Andrew Holness. This, he said, reflects more jobs being created and shows sustainable signs of economic growth nationally. Hey, when I hear what Andrew Holness says now, my viewers and subscribers, and I mean, say, you know, Andrew Holness come out and I say more Jamaicans have income now than ever before. Okay, stick up in. When I say more Jamaicans, who you attack? The scammer? Are the 95 people them? Because me not understand what you are saying. Come straight and come good. Because what you're saying is just a bunch of lie. Which I do not believe you, Andrew Holness. When you come out with the statistic, me still not believe you know. Because me know say you not lied. Just like when you come out with the crime statistic, and everybody were dead. And everybody were dead. They come out in the news. I will come over media, over mainstream media. Yeah, right. That is a perfect example. Yeah. So when you come talk now and I say Jamaicans are earn more, stop it. Stop tell lie. So you have to be specific. You like to come out and talk, but you're not being specific. This is why the church attack you, because the church say if you come out and be specific with a somehow agreement and you come back and you use the same energy right as now I talk about income. It's in what area? Tell us. I must come in here and chat about because I could never the 95 people them. Could never the 95 people them because every 95 job people them even get all the little 13,000. No, because I see things advertised in a paper. I see things people advertise jobs on social media. Yeah, and all 10,000, 9,000 them a pay people a week. So what you talk about? Talk to we nice. You understand? Because you can't trick we. You cannot trick me. You always come out and I try to put you up and I tell people a lie about ever before income. People are earn whole heap of income. Stop tell liar. When you talk, you must be specific. We want to know if at the 95 people them you talk or you talk the scammer them. You understand? Or you attack everybody together. Yeah, you need to be specific. You know, hear this here? Why Andrew Holness always come out with some type of madness where in Augusta? Eh? Are you attack your rich people them? Are you a rich kid them you attack? I must you rich people them. Because and a locally attack about. And a locally attack about Andrew Holness. I do not believe one bit say a locally attack about. I must your rich friend them you attack about. And your people them will live uptown side. You understand me? When I hear this, my viewers and subscribers, you see how the Prime Minister stay always come up with them a type of strategy, you know, a plan, and make it look like Jamaica do well. Stop make it look like Jamaica do well because Jamaica is not doing well. Jamaica is not doing well. The people they not do well. You understand? The people them and a beer robbery and killing a guan, pure robbery and killing a guan. You understand? I know you think it's the best time. You think it's the best time now for you say Jamaica. They not earn nothing. So you must be specific. You must be specific. And most of your people them you talk about. 9 to 5 people. Look how much people. You know how much people not working. You know how much people can't get a job because they don't have qualification. All them foolishness there. Eh? All them things that people they need to take people them and train them. Train them. That is what you need to do. When Andrew Holness, you see, you don't have no ideas. When the people them got the workplace and start to work, you Andrew Holness make the government like the training center them wanna have if you don't have any, or wanna build up some training center, yeah, some educational center, link with the place where the people them are work. And then you can take on the people them that do well. That you need to do. So basically when them work, when them go and train, it's like them guarantee a job. That's what you need to do. Listen, a workplace we just take, you know, like some hotel we just take the people them and walk them out all for months and for free, you know. All and give them a food and bus ride. That's it. For free, and then tell them so they don't want them. So where the hell you not have them for 2 months, did they? If they were so bad. That makes sense, my people. That don't make no sense. For sure you said them a friggin' user. You understand? So this is why I said, Andrew Holness, even though some people come and say, oh, the hotel is not a government hotel. Me know that. I know that. Whether it's private, remember I said this is Jamaica. You understand? Yeah, this is Jamaica. So what the government then for do is for link, let this college them link with every private businesses. That is what they need to do. Or even some private business then. You understand? Work alongside them. That enough for do. That's enough to do. So not just make people just come in with them business and say them a private entity and do what they want to do. No, and I saw it figure Andrew Holness. You will always be in control of them, the kind of something there. But you don't have no ideas. You not just make all the hotel people then do what they want. No, you hotel them big. So shouldn't have an educational system, as in like a training center that link with the hotel. So that means that if 10 people go, when they in the work experience, they only do work experience for 2 weeks or 1 week. 2 weeks, 1 week, or 3 weeks. You understand? If they don't work good, then let them go. How can you have people that work for 2 months and then after 2 months, yes, they don't work good? 2 months is very long. That means that they don't work good. That's why you don't have them there for so long. And things that people are idiot. This is why the government needs to step up now and do business with the private entity. Where Andrew Holness for the business with, him not do business with. You see? Only thing he's interested in our money. If money now make, Andrew Holness not here. When I get when I try show you, my viewers and subscribers, they can do it. They can do what is best for the people of Jamaica. Link up with the private place, the private business place, and do business with them. My viewers and subscribers, want to tell me how you feel about this. I want to think about Andrew Holness statement, my viewers and subscribers, because I said this a man have a plan. Him just come out and say some things and everybody just believe. I don't know. I just don't know. But you tell me how you feel. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video for me, guys. Share out the video and subscribe to my channel. Remember, when you subscribe to my channel, my people, press that notification bell and click all. So when me drop the video, them, get them straight away. Hey, I want to big up and welcome all of my new subscribers them. Big up on a nice clean self, and thanks for subscribing to my channel. And guess what? Me not forget about my long time dear one, number one subscribers them, were there with me from Wapikil, Philippines. Hey, wanna bless up on a good up clean self, and thanks for being here with me, liking my video and sharing my video. All right, bless up on yourself. I'm out.